Yo, what's up guys, it's Soroge Pro here and I want to share with you how you can improve your mobile internet speed or mobile data speed. Because some of us is relying to this mobile data, which is the 4G or LTE network. The reason behind is that our ISP is limited on connecting to us to that fast fiber connection like other people have. We are going to use this Huawei 4G router that I have here. You can use other brands as well. It just so happened that I have this Huawei router out here for my client. I get to configure it and send it to them so that they can use it. Using a dedicated 4G Wi-Fi router will give you stability with your connection, especially if there are a number of users connecting to the internet. The other thing you will have here is you have flexibility of where you can place your Wi-Fi router inside your house. You can place it near the window with the antenna popping out, and they have a better way of grasping those signals rather than using your phone. Now, before we get to configure this one, I want to quickly show you the difference of using your phone and using the Wi-Fi router. So this is my phone. I am using mobile data. As you can see there, I'm connected via 4G network. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to get into this speed test app. I'll measure our speed. So there you go. It's around 3.6543. Yeah, let's just say I'm above a 3 point something. That is my download speed. So my upload speed, it's okay that it's lower because we are more into the download speed. Okay, so that we can see the difference with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I've already pre-configured the Wi-Fi. I'll turn off the mobile data, turn on my Wi-Fi. I need to connect to this Huawei Wi-Fi router. So you can see there Huawei B3113524. Go back up and you can see that I am still connected to the Globe network and it is Wi-Fi. I'll go ahead and click for go. So yeah, 5 7. Okay, that's 8. Well, as you can see, it's doubled and I'm still inside my house. So if you can locate this one near outside, then you will have a better internet connection. You can see I'm still connected with the Globe network. So let's go ahead and I'll show you a quick unbox here. Then we get to configure this device. So of course you'll have antennas. Then that's the Huawei router. Close lookup. We have the power adapter, then cable. That's what you get inside the box. At the back of this, you can insert or plug in your antennas. I don't know why they gave me 2 antennas because the other one you cannot put it there. It's kind of a disabled port. And this is where you put your SIM card. Of course, if you are going to put your SIM card, you need to put in data credit so that you will have internet connection. So if you don't have internet connection, you better check if your SIM card has a data credits. Now, when I connected my laptop here and went into the dashboard accessing the Wi-Fi router, everything is in Chinese. This is what I didn't like about this Wi-Fi router. I went along and looked at a lot of things, trying to see if I can find a way to change the language to English, but I cannot find one. So I just went on clicking on things so that I can get into the dashboard. So I did. I was able to get in. But the thing is, I still don't understand the Chinese letterings here. Unless you can understand these things, then probably you can find something that will say you can change the language into English. So I had no choice. I need to go and look for the manual. As I am flipping this, I still see all Chinese letterings or language. But one thing I see here is the QR code. And if you scan a QR code, it will give you a information. So I pull up my phone, scan that QR code. Then what happened is it directed me to install a Huawei app on Play Store. So yeah, I had no choice. I had to install this one. Then we got to wait. Ta-da! It's installing. Well, after the installation, you need to go ahead and scan another QR code at the bottom of this Huawei Wi-Fi router. Okay, something will pop up. Just click on this, then it will direct you to connecting to this Wi-Fi router. So I'm connected already. I'll go and pop in that app that we have just installed. Then you can see here we have Huawei 4G router Lite. Just click on connect. Then it will log us in. You can go through the options here. Get started. Enable. There you go. And this is where you change the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password. For me, I get to change the Wi-Fi password here. Yeah, that's my password. I'll change it later. Admin1234. A lazy password. Okay, configuration is successful. Then you get to see the device online. Yeah, this, if you want to log in back, just log in here and try to change the configuration if you want to. Okay, that's how we do it. Now make sure that the link lights are blinking here. That is your indicator for the 4G network. It's a cyan color. The other one blinking is your LAN connection that's connected to my laptop. And of course, you need to make sure that you have this lighting there full. That's the bar signal of 4G. So we'll go ahead and connect to that Huawei Wi-Fi router again so that you can see. Long press, make sure that I am connected. Yeah, there you go. Huawei B3113524. Go back up. And yeah, we're using Globe Telecom and we are going to test the speed. Well, of course, the internet speed will be different from your location to my location. It might be faster to your location. So, as you can see, the difference of using your phone in using a dedicated 4G Wi-Fi router. That's what you get. I hope you have learned something from this video, guys. Help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribers. And I would like to see you in my next video. Goodbye.